In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track portfolio performance for free using CoinMarketCap. If you're investing in cryptocurrencies and want to keep an eye on your portfolio without spending a fortune, CoinMarketCap offers an excellent tool that you can use. It's simple, intuitive, and conveniently available online. Let's dive in and see how you can get started. To begin, you need to head over to the CoinMarketCap website. Simply open your favorite web browser and type in coinmarketcap.com. Once you're on the site, you'll find yourself on the homepage. This platform is popular for tracking the prices and trends of thousands of cryptocurrencies, and now you're going to use it to track your portfolio performance. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Portfolio tab. Typically, you'll find it in the main navigation bar at the top. Clicking this tab will direct you to the Portfolio Tracker page, where the magic happens. It provides a comprehensive overview of your cryptocurrency investments, allowing you to monitor performance over time, all for free. Once you're on the Portfolio Tracker page, things get really straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to start building your portfolio. CoinMarketCap makes it easy with a user-friendly interface designed for both beginners and experienced traders. You'll input the currency you're holding, the amount, and purchase details like the date and price. Have your transaction information handy for a smoother setup experience. An added advantage here is how CoinMarketCap keeps everything up to date with real-time market data. This means what you see in your portfolio reflects the most current market values, giving you accurate insights into how your investments are performing. It's perfect for gauging day-to-day movements or long-term trends. For more accuracy, if you have multiple transactions in the same cryptocurrency, you can separate them to better reflect your actual holdings. This is particularly useful for keeping track of various purchase dates and at varying prices. Another notable feature is that once your portfolio is set up, you can track things like daily performance, historical data, and even see potential future earnings based on market trends. The simple, clean layout makes it easy to see your total portfolio value at a glance, along with individual currencies. Having access to all of this information for free is not only convenient, but also invaluable in making informed choices about your next steps in the cryptocurrency market. So take advantage of CoinMarketCap's portfolio tool and empower yourself with knowledge. And there you have it. You can start tracking your portfolio performance on CoinMarketCap today. By using this simple tool, you have greater control over your investments, allowing you to make better financial decisions. Thanks for watching.